Well, I'd like to talk to you today about implant overdentures for edentate people. So I'm going to concentrate on the mandible, and I want to try and help you to answer the question about whether implant-assisted full dentures in the mandible are really better than conventional dentures. So first I'm going to talk about edentulation, and then we'll talk about the dentures themselves, the prostheses. So we know that edentulation fits the World Health Organization's definition of a physical impairment. So a physical impairment is if you've lost a body part. Obviously, people who are edentate have lost 32 body parts, and so all of our edentulous patients are physically impaired. Many of them are also disabled because the World Health Organization defines a disability as being someone being limited in their ability to perform a very necessary act of life. And of course, eating is a necessary act of life, and many denture wearers have problems chewing various foods. Some of our patients, our edentate patients, are also handicapped. So World Health Organization sees handicap as a consequence of being disabled, in that people feel uncomfortable socializing with other individuals because of their physical condition. And we know that many of our denture patients tell us that they feel uncomfortable going to restaurants and eating with friends because food gets stuck under their dentures. They have to excuse themselves to use the restroom. They can't chew the foods they want to chew, so they're embarrassed by it and they prefer to stay home.